In this video, we'll be taking a look at the resources available that will help users learn how to develop in Graphite Studio. Under the Resources tab on graphiteGTC.com, you'll see links to the Graphite Studio Knowledge Center and our question and answer forum, Goat Soda. The Knowledge Center contains in-depth information about Graphite GTC libraries and also provides sample projects that users can download and learn from. Goat Soda offers answers to Graphite Studio related issues, much like Stack Overflow. Let's take a look at the Knowledge Center. The Graphite Studio Knowledge Center contains 6 sections. References gives you detailed documentation related to Graphite Studio. For example, Graphite Studio's Beginner Guide contains 4 chapters of lessons that will help you learn to develop in Graphite Studio. The Behavior Shape section shows you details about each shape and how you can use them in a flowchart. The View Elements section displays all the available view elements within Graphite Studio. For example, the Color Picker field has these properties and can be added to a field set. Libraries shows all the elements in each library. For example, the Core library provides the Person entity, which contains these 2 properties. Theme is an enumeration, which contains these enumerations. The Sample Project section gives you a list of sample projects that will teach you how to use all the view elements within Graphite Studio and other features, like creating reports via SSRS, how to do 2-factor authentication, and some other more complex projects. Let's download one of these projects. Let's try Action Widgets. Once the project installer is downloaded, go to the Downloads folder and simply run the installer. Make sure that this path points to the Graphite Studio local implementation folder. Now to open that project, open Graphite Studio. Go to the Graphite Studio home screen and click Open Project. The project should now be listed under Local Implementation Project. Select the project you just downloaded and click Open. Let's make sure that our environment is properly set up. Click the sidebar and select Environments. And click Edit. Here is where you can enter your related environment details. I've chosen SQL Server Authentication, SA, entered the password, and local. If you're using any other database, such as a SQL Server Express or an external SQL server in another machine, make those appropriate changes. Now let's go back to GraphiteGTC.com and take a look at Goat Soda. Goat Soda offers answers to questions asked by other Graphite Studio users. Feel free to browse through the forum or watch these other videos to learn more about Graphite Studio.